Hi everyone. So today we're going to start with a little bit of moving around. You'll remember doing this for my classroom. In a minute, I'm going to play some music that has some steady beat part and some not steady beat part. When you hear the steady beat part, go ahead and walk around your little space wherever you happen to be right now, and try to keep your feet to the beat. That's kind of the point. And then when the steady beat part stops, I'm going to show you one of these. You remember these. They're all different, but when the steady beat part stops, you're going to freeze just like the picture. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So right here, you'd walk to the steady beat. Good job, guys. Here we go. And walk. Here's the next one. Here it comes. All right, keep going. Walking to the beat. Remember, that's part of the idea, is that we're trying to walk to the steady beat. Walking. So you should be walking to a steady beat. Here you go. Good luck. You might notice in the music it keeps getting longer and longer, so you have to hold your poses for longer and longer. And walk. Okay, ready? Here we go. Hey, good job, guys. That one was long. Good job. That one was really long. All right, keep walking. We're almost at the end. Good job, guys. All right, see you in a few with another video.